Welcome to this tutorial where we'll learn how to work in design mode. This mode offers a specialized interface for loading and unloading templates, creating camera presets, oscillations, and chroma key, as well as making simple modifications like object and texture transformations. Access design mode using the toggle button. To load a virtual set, just click the hamburger menu situated on the right side of the engine toolbar. The template pool displays all available templates, including virtual set and graphic templates organized in a folder hierarchy. However, you can only use virtual set templates in virtual client applications. Conveniently, you can store frequently used templates in the Quick Access folder for quick access. The recent folder displays the last 10 templates used in the app and select your desired template. Alternatively, go to Template Pool, locate your virtual set template, drag and drop it in the Edit panel to load it into the app. Once the virtual set is loaded, you'll see it within the viewport alongside all the scene's objects. We will start by making camera presets. Camera presets are positions stored in the preset control, allowing users to switch, animate, or transition between any saved camera position. Let's make a camera preset closer to the anchor. To create a camera preset, select the camera from the Object selection box. Adjust the desired camera angle and camera FOV. Each camera preset allows you to adjust the FOV according to your preferences. Keep in mind that different camera presets offer varying FOV settings. Once the angle and FOV are set, just double-click on the empty preset box. Each scene can have up to 24 camera presets, which you can switch between, animate, or transition. You can remove a preset by simply right-clicking on it and selecting Delete. Now, let's make sure to fine-tune the chroma settings, positions, and size for the talent. We're currently in design mode, and on the left side, you'll find the Chroma Key tab divided into 4 distinct sections: Key, Spill Correction, Pre-Process, and Post-Process. You can also save the chroma presets with the specific name and access them later. Once the chroma settings are done, let's create an animated camera movement in the preset. Click on the O button of the preset to access the oscillation control. Set the camera position and rotation for position A and double-click on the A button. The button should change to green. Repeat the process for position B. Set the duration of the animation between the 2 points. When both A and B are set, the O button will turn green, indicating a complete oscillation. In design mode, presets with completed oscillations will be highlighted in green and the O button will appear in the play mode. Finally, after setting up the camera presets, chroma, objects, and textures, save the scene and move to production mode. To return to the play mode, simply use the same toggle button. In production mode, you have a comprehensive view of all the camera presets. The oscillated camera preset is indicated with an O for easy identification. By effectively utilizing camera presets, chroma keying, live matte adjustments, and smooth transitions between modes, you can achieve a truly remarkable and high-quality production.